Jemez Mountain Electric, understanding your bill, time of use rate. Okay, this one is about our time of use rate, which encourages energy efficiency and using energy when other people are not. I want to take you to our website first so that you can go and see what our peak rates are. So right now on our residential accounts, we have our peak rate, which goes from 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then again from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. And if you'll notice, the rate is higher during the peak time and it's lower when it's off-peak times. This is because we pay a demand charge to our electric supplier, and so when we have this rate to encourage people to use their electricity when our demand is not very high, and so we're not paying as much for that, and to not use the electricity when our demand is normally high, so that the demand isn't quite as high as it would be. This is generally used with our Steffes ETS heaters, which the heaters use the electricity most during the off-peak hours, and that's when they're the heaters will heat the elements. The elements will come on during that time and not during the peak times. This is also available at a different rate per kilowatt to our small commercial accounts. So going to the actual bill, if you'll notice, we have two separate registers. This one represents the energy that was used during the peak times, and so in this case they used 579 kilowatts during the day, and they were charged the 14 cents, and they were billed the $82 for that. And this one, even though on their off-peak, this is their off-peak register, and if you'll notice, they were actually used more but were billed less. And this really kicks in the winter when you're using thousands of kilowatts to heat your home, and so you'll save some money by using it off-peak. That's all we have for our peak and off-peak rates, which is also called our time of use rates. Thank you.